doing a short ride. The students will be traveling from Iloilo City hanggang sa IPPO and San Rafael hanggang Pasig City po. Ma-apply nila lahat na natutunan nila during the training and most especially maging road safety advocate silang lahat. First aid is very most important. It's the most critical part during the accident po. So, mas mabilis na action, first aid and all, mas maganda yung prognosis, mas masisave ang life ng victim or ng patient. We would really appreciate sa tulong and sa support po ng Ronin especially sa lahat na activity ng Regional Highway Patrol Unit 6 headed by Police Colonel Bernard B. Marzal. We really appreciate yung tulong, yung suggestion, yung provide ng safety ng lahat na riders, not just the riders but also for the instructors po.